So guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to find the right keyword ideas for your content that can rank your content or product in the top searches of the Google. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Now guys, I have to open up the browser, and here we have to search for the tool that is Google Keyword Planner. Okay, this is the Google's official keyword planner, and this shows us the results from the Google's database. Okay, this is official from the Google. Now open up this link, and here it will prompt you to sign in with the Google account. I have already signed in, so I am seeing this page. Okay, now go to the Google Keyword Planner, and once this page is loaded, we will be ready to explore the right keyword ideas for our content. Now here you can see the page is loaded, and here we have to click on this uh, tools and settings, or you can directly click on the discover new keyword ideas. Okay, and here you can select the region, as I am locating the Pakistan. So if you want to locate your audience towards USA or England or something else, like you can search over here, like I'm going to search United States. Okay, so target. Now it will show me the result from both Pakistan and United States. Okay, now click on the save button, and this option is like you can extract all the keyword ideas from a specific website. So in order to do this, you can give the domain of that website here, or you can explore the keyword ideas on your own. Like if I want to get the keyword ideas against shoes, so I can click on it and search for the shoes, hit enter, and it will show me the results. Okay, and here you can see it has extracted all the keyword ideas against this single keyword, that is shoes. Now in order to show them from lower to highest searches or highest to lowest searches, we can apply a filter over there. Okay, and now you can see this is showing us the results from highest to lowest level. So this specific keyword, that is shoes, is searched in between 1 million to 10 million per month on Google. Okay, and likewise this Nike shoes keyword is searching as 1 million to 10 million, and its competition is high, and top of page bid is in PKR is 78, and top of page high range is 173. So you can explore all these keywords, like if I find this Adidas NMD keyword appropriate content for appropriate keyword for my product description or my content, what I can do is I can simply extract this keyword. Okay, so in order to get all the keyword ideas and explore all the keywords, what I can do is I can simply download these keywords into a CSV format, into Excel sheet, and there we can find the right keywords. Like if I find this one as an appropriate keyword, I can highlight it as a green, and by exploring all the keywords we can extract the green highlighted keywords by applying a filter. Okay, and then we can use those keywords in our content. Now in order to download these keywords, click on this download keyword ideas, and here it is asking in which format you are going to download this file. So I'm going to download this file in .csv format. Okay, so it will download it in short time. So here you can see our file is downloaded. Now just click on this file and it will open the file. Just maximize it, and here you can see it is showing us the keyword ideas from A to Z, all the results from the Google Keyword Planner. Now we have to explore them one by one. Like if I find this shoes keyword as an appropriate keyword for my content, what I can do is I can simply highlight it as green. So click on this shoes keyword, and here I can apply a color. Okay, like green, So and now we have to explore all the keywords one by one, and if you find a keyword appropriate for your content description, you can highlight it as green, and by the end of all the keywords we can extract all the green keywords, and we can use those green keywords as uh, target and optimized keywords in our content or product description. So for example, I find this one also as a right keyword for my content. I am going to highlight it as green. So after all exploring all the keywords, you can extract all the green keywords, okay, and then you can use them in your content. Another beneficial tool and the most trusted tool by all the SEO experts is Ubersuggest. Okay, Ubersuggest. So here you have to open up this link, and then here you can find the keywords like for example, I'm going to get ideas against health. Okay, hit enter, and here it will show you the results from the Google, and this is the most trusted keyword tool, a free keyword tool by all the SEO experts. Now you also have to sign in with the Google in order to search more keyword ideas on Ubersuggest. Okay, I'm not going to sign in, but you can sign in if you want to get more results like health or some other keywords. Okay, now this tool is suggesting me like this specific keyword, that is health, is searched over 135,000 times per month on Google, and its SEO difficulty is 62. And if you want to run ads against this health keyword, you have to pay $2.32 to the Google. And if you come down, Ubersuggest is also showing me the data in graphical format. Okay, and if you further come down, here you can find the related keywords like I searched for the health, and this is what people are searching on Google related health, like Heath Ledger health department for health insurance. And this is also showing the volume, like this keyword is searched for 5,50,000 times per month, and health department keyword is searched for 3 lakh times. Okay, and if you want to get the ideas like how to use these keywords into your content, Ubersuggest also shows you the links of the top Google searched results of the websites. Okay, so you can also open these websites and read the articles, and then it will show you how to use these keywords properly in your content. Okay, so another useful tool that is used by SEO experts is Google Trends. Okay, now you have to open up this link, and here you can search for the top trends of the world in Google, or you can compare two searches in Google. Okay, like for example, I'm going to search for a game that is PUBG. Okay, and here you can see this is showing me the data. Okay, and now in order to compare this keyword against some other keywords, what I have to do is just click on this compare, and this is another game that is Fortnite. Hit enter, and it will compare PUBG and Fortnite. So this is showing like PUBG is less popular than Fortnite. Okay, this is the basics of how you can find the right keyword ideas for your content. Like there are some other also tools like Moz or Ahrefs, but that are paid tools. But in order to get the good keyword ideas and rank your website in the top searches of the Google, you can also use these free tools. These are trusted by millions of the SEO experts, like Google Keyword Planner. This is the official from Google, and Ubersuggest is another tool, and personally I recommend you using this one. Okay, and this is also a great tool. So that's all for this video, guys. Now make sure to subscribe this channel for the upcoming videos, and by that time, take care.